Although we have released the new osCommerce 4 version, many shop owners continue to use systems based on osCommerce 2. As a result, we have made adjustments to the new PayPal module to support Express and APM alternative payment methods, ensuring compatibility with osCommerce 2-based systems. To install the new PayPal module on osCommerce versions 2.2 and 2.3 without any customizations, please use the link in description for this video to download the installation file. Once you have downloaded the file, use your preferred FTP client to upload it to the server's public HTML folder. Next, let's verify if everything is functioning correctly on the website. You will notice that the system meets the module's requirements. Click on the Install button to proceed. Confirm that everything is properly set up on the page. Now, let's navigate to the admin area to configure the module. In the Modules and Payment tabs, you will find the PayPal Quick Setup button, which allows you to start configuring the module in the admin area. In this video, we have demonstrated the simple installation of the new PayPal module on osCommerce versions 2.2 and 2.3. In the video's description section, you can find links to other videos that explain what to do if you encounter any issues during the installation process. In such cases, manual installation may be required. Please watch the other videos to learn how to configure the new PayPal module and how customers can make purchases using the new PayPal module on the front end.